Look at this document. It's a memo from the Office of the Inspector General of Police carrying the number of policemen that they are transferring out of Delta State, following the killing of that guy that they said he went to Webi gun, something like that, okay? The person who killed him, you know him, Usman, Nuhu. So, I am going through the list because the news is all over the place that the Nigerian police force are transferring the man who killed that innocent guy to Imo State. So there are some questions that I would like to put forth. But before that, look at number 976. Number 976 of the transfer list. You will see the serial number 172 346. 172 346 is the serial number. The number on the list is 976. The rank is ASP 1. Okay. The rank is ASP 1. And the name is Nuhu Usman. Nuhu Usman. Where are they transferring him from? They are transferring him from Delta State, that is DTS. And they are transferring him to IMS, that is Imo State. You get it? Now, this is the person they say that they have dismissed. Is it now justifying what people said that there were some policemen who committed crime in Abia State before? So Nigerian police force dismissed them. And these people, one is from Bauchi and one is from Kano State. They went back to the northern Nigeria. Whether they changed their name, I don't know. But they re-enter into the Nigerian police force again. So we were asking, how possible is this? But if this is true, if what we are seeing now is true, it means this is the way they have been doing it. And we were told that this man have been dismissed. So this is a very expensive mistake or a deliberate act. For me, I don't see it as a mistake. You understand? After dismissing person, you check the name. You check the name. In fact, this person is not just normal dismissing. It's a national issue. The person is facing trial. The person will be sentenced to death. But all we are seeing here now is his name appears in transfer list. What is that telling you? It's telling you that Nigerian police force is deeper than you think, and Nigerian government is deeper than you think. Look at the memo. The memo is from the Inspector General of Police. Go and verify it. Okay? Just go and verify it. That is why I first mentioned the number for you, so that when you see the list, you will know where to just look at. Number 976. 976. Why are they transferring this man to Imo State? So let us talk about the issue of Imo State. You all know what has been going on in Tiger Base. A place of no return. A place where policemen used to torture people to death. You know the story of Imo State? How innocent people are being killed. And they call them IPOB. I made a video when this man, Usman Nuhu, killed that guy in Delta State. I said if it was in Abia State, Enugu, Anambra, Ebonyi, no cause for alarm. Nobody will talk. You know why? They will tag him an IPOB member. They will tag him ESN member. They will say it's an IPOB member. He was sending gun to his friend. They will frame it up, and Nigerians will accept the garbage. We accept the rubbish they will call news. Every now and then, in Nigerian army or police, anything they do in the Southeast, they will target ESN, IPOB. But we know that all these things are false. We know that these things are not true right from time. We are waiting for the official statement from the Nigerian police force. You see all these things, you people should always keep records. Keep record and understand what is going on in Nigeria. I know that a lot of people will come out to say, oh, it is a mistake. It is a mistake. By the way, the name of a dead person is inside the list. I ask again, don't you hear about ghost workers? Ghost workers in Nigeria. Are you a new person? Were you not born and brought up from Nigeria? Even in Nigerian police force, in the army, in the teaching sector, NMPC, you will see ghost workers, people who are dead. They are still collecting their money. So if you see the name of a dead person in that list, that is what is going on. But the name of dead people who are ghost workers is not our business. Our business is that Nigeria government or Nigerian police force, there is a collusion with people. Because if you see the audacity, the man did not come even with police uniform. He came with mufti, with guns, with their Sienna that they used to patrol. He came with civilians and killed somebody, carried the body and just go away. Nobody talked until the person who videoed it now sent it to Harrison Gwamnishu. We must think twice and we must reason well as a people. You can't justify this thing that it is a mistake. It is deliberate. They told you the man has been transferred to Abuja. What is the update? When are they charging them to court? Like, what is the update? No updates, right? The next thing, boom, transfer to Imo State. Hey, Nigeria. Oh, come and defend them. No problem. Come and defend them. It is a mistake. To you, it is a mistake. Come and defend them. It is a mistake. Everybody will now come and start defending them. It is what it is.
Why do we call it a zoo? Yesterday, a policeman shot dead a certain lady called Comfort. Do you know why Comfort was killed? The husband has keke napep with the children inside it. Do you know why she was killed? Do you know why she was killed? 50 naira. People are saying, why don't you make Nigeria work? It can work someday. I want to live in a country where the police people don't carry guns. You want to live in a country where they carry guns. You and I don't see eye to eye, because before the white man came in my village, there was no police. Talk less of carrying a gun. Was there any stealing? Any criminality? Any war? No raping of women. This was before the white man came into our land. We had no police. But Hausa, I respect them, they had their own police. Yoruba, the Hausa used to be called Alakali. Do you remember that Alakali in primary school? Alakali. I don't begrudge you. I'm not against what you're doing as a person. I am telling you, before the British came, there was no Nigeria. Simple and short. Nigeria was what created artificial boundaries. If I may ask you, Mr. African, what is the meaning of the word Nigeria? Is it an African name? Is Nigeria an African name? It means nigger. Niger means nigger. In French, nigger is a Latin word. In French, it is called Niger. It means black. That's the meaning of it. Even yesterday, one of your musicians, Nigga Raw, changed his name to Mr. Raw. Why? Because in America, he went to Apple and said to Apple, I cannot sell my music. He's a Nigerian artist, a zoo artist, I should say. He said to them, why are you not selling my music? They said, you cannot answer this name here. He said, but this thing means nigger. Nigger means Niger. Niger Raw. That's what I answered. They said, no. Here is an offensive word. Remove it. He changed only yesterday to Mr. Raw. Changed his name. Is the name Nigeria African? The answer is no. What is driving me mad is this. Who created Nigeria? Was Nigeria created by Africans? The answer is no. I don't hate people. I don't dislike people. But anything that comes from that place is not worthy.